Welcome to our tutorial video for DJI Matrice 4D series, where we will introduce how to perform swap task with the aircraft. Swap task enables two aircraft to observe the area of interest continuously through automatic scheduling. Enter the Flight Hub 2 device status window. Click Virtual Cockpit. Click Takeoff. Operate the aircraft to fly out of the safe takeoff and landing area. After reaching the task point, keep the aircraft hovering. Click Obtain Payload Control. Adjust the gimbal camera position. To aim at the area of interest, click the icon in the upper left corner to create a swap task. Select the device. Aircraft within 5 kilometers of the operation location can be selected. Click OK. The task end time can be set to a time point within 12 hours. The depart early time can be set for up to 25 minutes. You can adjust the settings according to the actual environment. It is recommended to set an earlier departure time in complex environments. During swap tasks, the battery charging mode is set to standby by default. The aircraft will be automatically charged to 90% to ensure efficient tasks. Click Start. The device on the left is the one currently performing the task, while the device on the right is the one waiting to take over. Click Swap in Advance. The device will immediately start the task. During the task, you can control the payload, but not the aircraft. Click the Pause button to take control of the aircraft. Click the Step button to finish the swap task. The aircraft controlled via Virtual Cockpit will continue its previous task, while the other aircraft will automatically return to home or stop the swap task. Thank you for watching.